Hi guys, this is Haley. Today I'm going to do this viral latte makeup. Then what exactly the latte makeup is a bronzy golden look that relies on bronze, tan, and brown tones. It's just perfect for summer, and even if you've gotten a tan from your holidays, it will make this look even more perfect. Then shall we begin? First thing first, let's start off with color correcting with NYX color correcting palette. This is my all-time favorite color corrector, and I mostly use salmon shade to correct my under eye dark circle and the area around my lips. It's essential to make those areas even with a corrector or concealer for more detailed and polished appearance. Moving on to my favorite concealer from KOSAS. It's one of the most hydrating concealers I ever used. It's perfect for people who prefer a more natural and lightweight makeup look. I'm lightly applying it in areas where I need some coverage and then blend everything with my fingertips. Although it has a lightweight formula, it still provides decent coverage, perfect for everyday use. With my skin tone now even out, I'm doing a pinpoint concealing. There are some areas with hyperpigmentation I want to cover and some redness under my nose. So I'm using a high coverage concealer and a small concealer brush to cover perfectly while targeting the exact area I want to cover. Next, I'm going to add warmth on my face. The key to achieving the latte makeup is layering on bronzer using different types of products, cream and powder. I will start with a cream bronzer for natural and sheer bronze look. Applying under my cheekbones and a bit on my forehead. I'm blending it until it looks seamlessly natural. For blush, I'm using a nude peach shade to complement the warm/bronze tones, which are the main color of this makeup look. If I choose a pink blush, it might create a mismatched appearance, so peachy or nude shades is a better choice. I'm applying on my cheekbones and a bit on my nose to achieve that sun-kissed look. To remove any excess shine on my face, I'm using a translucent powder. If my face appears too oily or overly radiant, it might not give the desired natural glow, but rather a sweaty look. So it's essential to mattify the areas where I don't want much shine, such as the forehead, nose, and around my lips. For my eye makeup look, I'm using brown shade in this eyeshadow palette from Makeup by Mario. First shade, I'm using a light brown shade to shade my lids and my lower lash lines. It will give a guide for the deeper shade I'll be using next. After that, I will use a deep brown shade to create a soft blended eyeliner effect. Since the latte makeup style is all about a seamless and soft appearance, I won't be using a black eyeliner or pen, which can look too harsh and obvious. You could easily remove mistakes if you make any with a Q-tip, which is beginner friendly for creating a wing eyeliner look. After creating a soft eyeliner effect with eyeshadow, now I'm using a real eyeliner pencil. I'm using a brown one for softer look. First, I'm tightlining to get more defined eye makeup look, and then I'm drawing over the lines I previously created with the eyeshadow. Instead of drawing all over, I'm going to extend it slightly using a tiny, small eyeshadow brush. Once the eyeliner is done, you could decide whether to add more shade or color to my eye. Since I feel it looks a bit empty and need more bronzy warmth, I'm mixing a mid-tone brown shade with a slightly deeper shade to add depth to my crease. I'm also applying the same color along my lower lash lines to create a cohesive look. For the latte makeup, I think adding a golden shimmer is a must to give it a bit spice. I'm applying on the center of my lids with my fingertips and blend it gently. Also, I'm applying it on the inner corner of my eyes to brighten and enhance the overall eye makeup look. As always, for my eyebrows, I'm filling them in using an ash brown shade to achieve a natural look. For this look, I believe a bushy brow look would work well, so I'm brushing my brows upwards using a brow gel to get that effect. For my lashes, I'm applying a volumizing mascara to my upper lashes and a clean lengthening mascara to my lower lashes. Once you complete your eye makeup, you can add more color if you feel is needed. I like to mix a mid-tone brown shade with a shimmery bronze color to add more depth to my crease again. To add even more warmth to my face, I'm applying a bronzer over the area where I apply the cream bronzer. This will give my skin a more intense warm color, resulting in a healthy and sun-kissed look. I'm also going to add a bit more of the blush I used previously to achieve a more cheerful and flush look. Now it's time to add some glow on my face with a liquid highlighter. Since I already have obvious shimmers on my eyes, I decided to use a sheer and natural highlighter on my face. I'm applying only on the areas where I want to accentuate the glow. To get more definition on my face, I'm doing a bit of nose contouring and touching up some small areas. It gives my makeup a more sophisticated finish. For the lips, I'm using a nude brown lip liner to outline them. It's slightly deeper than my natural lip color, so I'm drawing and blending over and over to make it look more natural and not too obvious. Since all the colors in this look are warm, yellowy, I decided to apply a sheer pink gloss to my lips. It's not too bright, just a subtle touch of pink to add some freshness. I noticed that some models in the Latte makeup inspiration has some freckles, so I'm adding some freckles with a brown eyeliner and pen eyeliner. So this is my version of Latte makeup. Hope you guys like it. It's a high glam eyeshadow look while still achieving a natural sun-kissed glow base without using a foundation on my face. This look is just perfect for any seasonal events right now, and I'm loving it. Also, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram when you recreate this look. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!